In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music to video in Colossyan. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the music tools, how to pick a track from the built-in library, and how to bring in your own audio if you already have a favorite song or brand theme. First, log into Colossyan. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. If not, head to the Colossyan site, enter your credentials, and you'll land on your dashboard. Keeping your account open in a stable browser tab helps avoid interruptions while you work. Next, open your project in the editor. From your dashboard, choose the project you want to enhance with music so it loads onto the editing canvas. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct project, the one with the scenes and visuals you intend to finalize, so the music you add matches the right video. Now look to the top toolbar and click on Media. This is your central place for anything you want to bring into the project: images, video clips, and of course, audio. Opening Media keeps your workflow organized and ensures the music you add is managed within the same panel as your other assets. Inside the Media area, navigate to the Music section. This dedicated space is designed for soundtrack work, so everything you need is in one spot. If you've never added music in Colossyan before, don't worry. The layout is straightforward and the options are easy to browse. Here you can select music from the library. Explore the available tracks and consider the mood and pacing of your video. For a tutorial or explainer, a light, unobtrusive background often works best. For something dynamic, look for a track with more energy. Aim to match the tone of your visuals and voiceover so the music supports the message rather than competing with it. When you find a track that fits, choose it to add it to your project. If you already have a specific song or a brand-safe track you want to use, you can also upload by clicking the Upload button. Select your audio file from your device and make sure you have the rights to use it in your project. Once it's uploaded, it will sit alongside your other media so you can keep everything consistent across projects. That's it. You've learned how to log in, open your project, access the media panel, head to music, pick a track from the library, and upload your own audio when needed. With these steps, you can give your video a polished, professional feel in just a few clicks.